Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by launching the Widgets board. Click the Widgets icon on the taskbar or press Win+W. Once the panel opens, sign in with your Microsoft account so Widgets can sync your interests and calendar. This is required for many card types. If you don't see the icon, open Settings, right arrow Personalization, right arrow Taskbar, and toggle Widgets on. Once done, the board will populate. Make sure to give it a moment to load personalized cards before adding or editing widgets. You now add and shape widgets. Click the plus Add Widgets button at the top of the board to pick weather, calendar, traffic, or other available cards. After adding, use the three-dot menu on any widget to resize, pin, remove, or adjust settings for that specific card. Resizing changes density and shows more or less info. Drag cards up or down to reorder the board, and open the Manage Interests link to refine topics so the feed shows what matters to you. Finish by confirming the layout. When you close the Widgets board, your changes are saved automatically so you can return anytime. If the Widgets icon disappears or a card won't load, open Taskbar Settings to re-enable the icon and restart File Explorer or sign out and back in to force a refresh. For persistent errors, check Windows Update and install pending updates. This often fixes compatibility issues. If all else fails, toggle widgets off and on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.